What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, we're drawing Krusty the Clown from The Simpsons. For today's lesson, I'll be drawing with the Sharpie fine point marker. We'll need some plain white paper and some markers to color with. Let's begin in the center of the page and draw an oval for the nose. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top, come around the left side, go up on the right, and then back up towards the top. And then we'll tuck the eyes in behind the nose. Let's start with a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We draw a circle. It goes all the way around toward the top of the eye, come down the side, and then back in towards the nose. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing. Going up towards the same height, come around the side, and then back in. Now I want to push the pupils towards the outside. So from the center of the left eye, let's move out, draw a small circle and fill that in black. Go to the center of the right eye, move out, and do the same thing. Let's go back to the side of the nose. We're going to step down, curve this out, and then down on both sides. Let's move out and draw the top edge of the mouth. We come down the middle, go across, and then back up. And then on the ends, let's add a bracket. Let's draw in the top row of teeth. In the center, we're going to step down. Let's start with the left side. We're going to come down and up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add another curve. Coming down and up along the side. And then we'll tuck the last tooth in behind. So we're going to step down, across, and then up underneath the mouth. Now let's move in, draw the inside edge of the mouth. We'll start with the left, coming in and then down towards the bottom, and then round out the bottom of the mouth. Now I'm going to place the tongue in the center. Starting from the left, let's go up, let's add that fold, coming down, step back, go up towards the same height, and then down. Now I want to fill the top of the mouth in black. Now we're going to wrap the cheeks around the corner of the mouth. We'll start on the left side, we'll go around, and then bend that in. And we'll pull the side of the jaw, coming in and then down toward the chin. Go back to the left side, let's round up the chin and pull it back up on the right side. Between the eye and the cheeks, let's curve this out and then down. And we'll place the ears along the inside. Start by going up and back in towards the cheek. And we'll add those folds inside. Start with the curve going up and out, and then in the center, then out and then down. Now we're going to move up and bulge out the brow. And go out and then in towards the side of the head. Let's work our way up toward the top, going straight up, and then bending that in. And the same thing on the right. Now let's close off this gap with 3 curves going across. On the side, let's curl the hair, coming around and then in. Let's go back to the left side, add 1 large curve, and then 1 more going out towards the tip. Let's bend this in and then down, close off the side with 1 more curve. Now we're going to have the hair coming out from the side of the head. Let's start on top of the left brow. We're going to draw a series of curves going up and then out. And then work our way around toward the top. And then start to bend that down towards the end. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add a point, coming up and in. Then we want to work our way in and then back up in behind the cheek with these small curves. In, start to bend this down, work our way around the cheek, and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go underneath the chin and draw a small half circle with a knot of the bow tie. From the bottom, bend this down and out. round this out and pull that back in. Just bend the tie coming in and then down towards the side of the chin. Let's add a fold along the side of the knot, going up and then out. Now let's go back to the side of the jaw, draw 2 straight angled lines coming down and out across the side of the neck. And then from the corner of the tie, we're going to go across the neck and then bend that back in. From the outside of the collar, draw 2 straight angled lines going down and out. Now let's go underneath the tie, draw 2 slightly longer lines going down. Connect the outside to the inside with a curve. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Krusty the Clown from The Simpsons. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. And if you want more details on the art supplies we use, I'll leave a list with links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.